Good morning. I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Guys, I got a massive partnership from Walmart to World. Walmart to World, guys. Pretty much, it's been revealed this morning that there is a relationship. Walmart to World, MoneyGram, and a subsidiary of Rio Money Transfer expands domestic payout with Walmart. Guys, this is massive. This is massive. If you recall, guys, I remember the fees dropping in Walmart drastically. I actually looked up a video I did about a year ago because originally these $4 to send $50, $8 to send 51 to 1,000, and 16 to send up to 2,500. Guys, before these new price chart came out, to send upwards of $2,500, it would cost you $100. To send up to $1,000, it would cost you $50. Send up to $50, I think it would cost like $20 or something like that. But the fees dropped drastically. Now, clearly, we all recall this picture right here that Big BG shared about, I don't know, what, 2 years ago now? XRP, MoneyGram. Well, originally it was MoneyGram and an arrow pointing to Walmart. And I clearly, there's no way. It's the same thing, guys. We see fees dropping drastically around the world, but behind a few stones, you'll find Walmart. There's no way fees are dropping this much without some kind of technology being utilized. We will cover this article. But first, guys, Washington state law recognizes blockchain records as legally valid and enforceable. So this is a massive, guys. We're seeing more and more clarity, more and more regulation being laid out. The United States of Washington has passed a bill that recognizes and protects legal status of electronic records pertaining to distributed ledger like a blockchain. The bill, substitute Senate Bill 5638, was signed into effect by Governor Jay Inslee on April 26th. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, I believe is here to stay. Now, here's something that is going to be kind of shocking. Coinbase wallet adds support for Dogecoin. Holy moly. Guys, I'll be honest with you. I know Doge is very popular. Elon Musk tweets about it. People talk about it. It's Big Pat's favorite coin. But at the same time, if people don't know, guys, Dogecoin was created as a parody coin. The original founders of Dogecoin created this coin to show people how easy it is to create a coin with no use case. I'm not sure what the use case is now, and I'm not sure how the scenario has changed since I've studied Doge. Well, I never studied Doge, but from what I've understood about a year ago, it was a parody coin. Maybe things have changed since then. Maybe I will take a serious look into Doge now that it's being listed on Coinbase. And, I'm not understanding what the method to the madness is here. But Coinbase wallet has support for Dogecoin. This is the huge one. Rio Money Transfer expands domestic payout with Walmart. Rio Money Transfer, a leading global money transfer provider, announced today the expansion of its relationship with Walmart to include domestic payout at Walmart locations in the United States. Rio customers can now send money with participating Rio agent location worldwide, including within the U.S., and pick up cash at any domestic Walmart location in the U.S. This is amazing. Walmart, guys, if you're out of the country and you don't know what Walmart is, here in the USA, Walmart is massive. It's a massive store. It's like a one-stop shop. You can get your oil changed there. You can clothes shop. You can grocery shop. Get pictures taken, buy a cell phone. It's pretty much a one-stop shop. It's pretty much put a lot of mom-and-pop stores out of business. In 2014, Walmart and Rio introduced a groundbreaking Walmart to World money transfer service powered by Ria to provide customers with high-quality, cost-effective, and transparent money transfer product. Customers using Walmart to World enjoy the convenience of sending money between more than 4,700 Walmart stores worldwide. The expanded relationship enables Ria to significantly increase the payout network in the U.S. while driving more customers to Walmart. Win-win. Now, this is where it gets interesting, guys. Shout out to Ripple Coin News. Euronet worldwide partners with Ripple to integrate RippleNet as a subsidiary Rio money transfer. So this is pretty much the connection here. Ripple, a San Francisco-based firm, is one of the well-known blockchain players for payment and fintech enterprise, with over 200 financial institutions as its clients. Now, the latest report reveals that the subsidiary of Euronet worldwide Rio money transfer is stepping up to join Ripple's hand to leverage RippleNet and its payment enterprise. The news comes in the wake after SBI's former CEO becomes a board member at Ripple and predicts to have 1,000 plus financial institutions as Ripple customers, which presently counts at 200. And I clearly see that, guys. I remember when they were, boasting about 100 partnerships. Now we're 200. So, we've doubled our progress. Rio Money Transfer is a global money transfer provider and a subsidiary of Euronet. RippleNet's leverage at Rio's financial services was first revealed when Euronet released Q1 report in 2019. Nevertheless, a Twitter user made it public, Twitter handle. So pretty much, guys, it's a subsidiary of Ripple. Rio's a partner. We signed an agreement with Ripple that gives, now this is it right here. We signed an agreement with Ripple that gives Ripple access to Rio's global and digital footprint, also allowing Rio's customers to connect and transfer with Ripple's network, which includes more than 200 financial institutions worldwide. This is massive, guys. This is massive. Like I said, originally, this picture came out, almost 2 years ago. I believe Bearable Guy released this picture right here. It was MoneyGram and Walmart to World. And like I said, guys, if you've been following me for a while, I've been talking about this for quite some time. One thing I based my belief on when I've connected the dots, I've checked my video, was from like January of 2018. It was the fees. It was the fees. There's no way you dropped from charging $100 to send $2,500. It was once a $100 fee. When it dropped to $16, I smelled Ripple. That's for sure. I smelled XRP, baby. Now, it's hard to say if they're utilizing XCurrent or XRapid at this point. Most likely, to be honest, they're probably using XCurrent because that's what the law legally allows. But pretty soon, when regulation is drafted to move digital currency, because Ryan Zagone is working with the CSBC State Regulators Board here in the USA to get licensed to move XRP from state to state. So one regulation is clarity. I'm pretty sure they'll flip that switch and it will be XRP. And as of right now, it could be XRP through the sandbox initiatives that's approved by the Department of Treasury that we have been talking about. So this is a very interesting scenario unfolding. But what we do know is it runs on Ripple. XRP the standard. Okay, guys, the CKJ coin will come down right now. Smash that coin to subscribe to the channel. Smash them thumbs up. Let me know what you think about Walmart to World in the comments. And what do you think about Dogecoin being listed on Coinbase? Or I believe it's going to be where you can hold Doge in their wallet. I don't think it's going to be listed. Yeah, Coinbase adds support in their wallet for Doge. So what do you think about that, guys? Much love. Mahalo.